Welcome back to Slam Technology Cybersecurity Training Series. We are in Model 5, and in this model, we're going to dive deep into one of the most critical and practical and high-impact topics, which is network tools, troubleshooting, and high availability. Without wasting time, let's go ahead and jump into my slides over here. And so here, let's begin with the structured troubleshooting. Now, we understand that whether you are dealing with a slow network, drop connections, or unknown outage, a step-by-step approach is a key to everything. So we use methods like the OSI models or the top-down or bottom-up approach to identify and isolate issues from physical cabling to application layer problems and so on. The goal is to troubleshoot logically, not emotionally. So now let's look into some of the tools that we use as a professionals, right? We use ping and Traceroute for testing connectivity. And then we use Nslookups and digs for DNS resolution issues. Wireshark is to capture packets on the network, right? Identify and investigate them. And then Nmap for port scanning to identify all the 65,535 port numbers that we have out there. And also we use the Netstat, the IP config, the Tcpdump for real-time diagnostics, right? Now I say that these tools are your digital stethoscope, helping you to listen to your network and pinpoint where you are going wrong, right? Or where things are not in the right perspective. Now, we also look into ensuring network uptime. So we use what we call the high availability. Now, the blueprint of resilient systems is the availability. Whether it's a failover clustering, redundant hardware, or cloud-based backups, hardware availability, is also to ensure that the critical service remain accessible even when individual components are failing within the network. So technologies like the network teaming, we learn them, rate system, we configure them, load balancing, and geographical distributed data centers are common in today's enterprise network. These are some of the things that we emphasize and that we go into deeper and learning most of them. Then we also will do a lot of hands-on based on what I have given you on the tools level. And then, we look into some areas that we can have a practical live hands-on. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next module on the network security and cyber defense. Have a wonderful day.